Good morning, sweetie.
Morning! The pancakes look yummy!
They do. Dig in, everyone.
Yeah, they smell amazing.
Today we're visiting Aunt Anna.
Aunt Anna? Really?
Yes, she's excited to see you.
Aunt Anna is coming to visit! Really? That's great news! Yay! I can't wait!
Children, after many years, we're going to visit Aunt Anna.
Really? Wait!
I'll start the dishes.
Thanks, dear. That was a lovely visit.
Yeah! Can they come again soon?
Let's see. Toothbrush and shirts.
Don't forget the games! And my teddy!
All set.
These cookies look perfect for Aunt Anna.
They do. Let's add some fruit too.
Okay, this will be a great surprise. Aunt Anna, I made this for you. It's a picture of us in the garden. Mama, look! I made this for you!
Oh, it's beautiful, sweetie. Thank you in the basket.
Ready for our walk, everyone?
Almost. Just need my shoes.
I'm ready, let's go!
Here you go, sweetie.
Yay!
All right, you two. Go on outside.
Yay, let's go! It's so sunny!
Have fun. Almost there, everyone.
I see the car!
It was a lovely walk.
Can we go again? Look how pretty it is today. Yeah, what's that bird? A sparrow. Let's keep walking.
There we go. All unlocked.
Wonderful. Aunt Anna will love this basket.
All right, everyone. Our adventure begins.
It's so beautiful out here.
Wow, look at the hills.
I see cows! Sis, look! Birds! Wow, so pretty! They're flying so fast!
Okay, according to this, Aunt Anna's house is just past the old oak tree.
Got it. Let me know when you see the turn.
Wow, look at all the houses! Is that Aunt Anna's? We're almost there!
All right, everyone. We're here.
Wow, look at all the flowers.
This house is so pretty!
Oh, there you are. I've been waiting for you. Welcome home, my dears. We're here. The garden looks amazing.
Let's play! Aunt Anna!
My darlings, I've missed you so much.
We missed you too!
Anna, it's so wonderful to see you.
Oh, my dear, I've missed you so.
Welcome, Anna.
Aunt Anna, I made this for you. Sweetie, it's wonderful. I drew our family. I love it.
Oh, my dear, this is the most thoughtful gift. I will cherish this forever. Welcome, my dears. Come in, come in.
The fire's going.
Make yourselves at home. Come in, everyone. Isn't it
Wow, so many plants!
It feels like a greenhouse in here.
Make yourselves at home.
Wow, so many books! And look at all the decorations!
This place is amazing. Tea and homemade snacks for everyone.
Thank you, Aunt Anna. It smells wonderful.
Hey, snacks!
This tea reminds me of the old days.
Yes, like when we first met at the park.
Tell me that story!
Of course, dear.
Your mother once tried to bake a cake and forgot the sugar.
It was so salty! She was so embarrassed!
Come, children, let me show you my beautiful garden.
Wow, it's so pretty! Look at all the colors!
Yes, they're blooming just for you.
Aunt Anna, how do you grow all this?
It's simple. We plant the seeds, give them water and sun.
Wow!
They look happy out there.
It's wonderful to see.
Look, he's found a butterfly.
And she's picking flowers. Ready to help water the flowers?
Yes, can I pour? Me too, it's so pretty!
Be gentle. Wow, look at that. Look, children, our big apple tree.
Wow, the leaves are glowing!
It's the sunlight.
It's beautiful! I can get it! You're almost there! Just a little more! Oh, so close!
Ready? Up we go.
I got it!
Good job, son.
It's perfect!
Perfect for a day like this.
Nothing beats this.
I agree. The village baker once found a tiny door in his oven.
A door, where did it go? To a secret forest full of magic.
Look how the light changes everything.
It's magical, isn't it?
So beautiful!
Dinner will be ready soon.
What are you making?
A nice warm stew.
It smells yummy!
Anna, this smells wonderful. Thanks.
A pinch more salt?
Sert.
In they go.
Dinner's going to be great.
Table's ready! It looks great!
This stew is wonderful.
I'm so glad, Dad.
Yeah, the best.
More, please.
That was delicious, wasn't it?
Yes. Can we have it again tomorrow? It was the best.
I'm glad.
Children, look. This is our family album.
Is that you? And is that Grandpa?
Yes, it is.
Look at Grandma's funny hat. She looks sore. He looks grumpy.
It's getting late, everyone. Time to wrap things up soon. It's time to head out.
Safe travels, my dears.
Bye, Aunt Anna.
We'll miss you.
Goodbye, my darlings.
Bye, Aunt Anna. We love you.
I love you too. Be good.
Aunt Anna, I promise we'll visit again soon.
I know you will, dear. I'll be waiting.
Goodbye, Theo.
Goodbye, everyone. Safe travels.
Thanks, Aunt Anna. We'll call soon.
Bye. We had a wonderful time.
Almost home, everyone.
Look at the sunset. It's so pretty. It really is so peaceful. Aunt Anna was the best. I know. The park was so much fun. And the ice cream was yummy. The best day.